meeting, several different people for coffee, never going any place. I met him last April for coffee, and the date turned out to be 7 hours long, and we're like two peas in a pod. He is a wonderful man who's never said one unkind word out of his mouth to me. He loves me, he's supportive, he's encouraging, and it's just such a wonderful feeling after so many years of being alone. But it was worth the wait. It came to me when it was time. I had all those years to heal and take care of me, and just want other people to know that there is someone out there for them, and when the time is right, it will happen. So don't give up, don't doubt.
And don't settle. That's the one thing I want to tell women is, you think time's running out, you think your biological clock is ticking, you think all your girlfriends are getting married, blah, 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 blah. And so you jump into situations that they don't love you, or they're not committed to you, or they're not your emotional or mental equal. And then 2 or 3 years down the road, you're wondering, why they're texting your best friend.
Right. And, this guy challenges my mind and makes me want to be a better person, and just brings out all the good in my heart and in my soul he brings out. And it's just such a blessing to wait and be with the right person. Like you say, don't settle.
Let me play a good song for you. Thank you for calling and sharing your heart.
Oh, thank you, Delilah.
Feel myself dreaming, it's over and gone, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We were walking on moonlight, and you pulled me close. Split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. Woke up in tears, but you by my side, breath of relief, and I realized, no, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know it when we're out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I'll kiss you long, baby. Any chance that I get, I'll make the most of the minutes alone with no regret. Let's take our time to say what we want, use what we got before it's all gone. There's no way I promise tomorrow, so I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know it when we're run out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like I'm
Van je shaman.
gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye.
Think hotel or boots, you get a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go, but you don't know what you got till it's gone. It'd be a paradise, put up a fucking line. They took all the trees, put them in a tree museum, and charged the people $1.50 to see them. No, 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 don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone. It'd be a paradise, put up a fucking line. Hey, farmer, put away your DDT. I don't care about spots on my apples, leave me the birds and the bees.
Please don't it always seem to go, but you don't know what you got till let's go. The Disney paradise I put in a parking lot.
And now they pay paradise to put up a fucking line. No, no, no. Late last night, I heard the screen door swing, and a big yellow taxi took my girl away. Now don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone.
It'd be paradise, put up a parking lot.
And now, don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone. It'd be paradise, put up a parking lot. Why not? They pay paradise, they put up a parking lot. Hey, 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 pay paradise, put up a parking lot. I don't wanna give it, why you wanna give it, why you wanna give it all away. Hey, why you wanna give it, how she wanna give it, just to give it all away. Now, now, I don't wanna give it, why you wanna give it, why you wanna give it all away. Giving it all away.
much going on, and we're going to celebrate together. In days gone by, in years gone by, I used to do a birthday countdown. Like a month before my birthday, I would start telling you my birthday's coming up because I love to get cards and letters from you. Now I don't miss it. I mean, I'm glad I have a birthday. I mean, because the alternative to that is not good, you know. But really, just want to pretend that I'm not getting old. I love my birthday for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's the day after Valentine's Day, so we always do it like Valentine's celebration. Number two, I am now married to a man who shares the same birthday as I do, so we celebrate together. But if you are going to do something fun, maybe you're doing a winter getaway, maybe you're going someplace for your family, take us along and have a wonderful weekend. I am going to be here to take your calls and share your stories and play your dedications all night long. You're listening to The Line.
It's Delilah on line 84. You know, Connie, people love Consumer Cellular because their rates are so low.
Oh, Jack, it's because of the great choice of plans that you can change anytime. Turns out they're both right. And so are the millions of other people who have great things to say about Consumer Cellular. I like the straightforward plans that are easy to understand.
I'm always telling people about their fantastic customer service.
The best part is, you never pay for more than you need.
The best part is no contracts. And it was so easy to switch. I even kept my phone and my number. Wait, Connie, maybe it's the strong, reliable nationwide coverage.
Or the 100% US-based customer service. Consumer Cellular. Plans start at just $10 a month with no contracts. Get free shipping and free activation, a $35 value. AARP members can save even more with special discounts. Start your 30-day risk-free trial today. Go to joinconsumercellular.com or visit a Target or Sears store today. AARP receives royalty fees for the use of its intellectual property. The 80s to now. ensure your evening is perfect. Reservations are filling fast. Call today. Visit Stratomia313.com. Host your next gathering or party in Stratomia elegant upstairs banquet room.
When the weather turns winter, you just want to make it there. Home, work, pick up the kids. That's why our Go in the Snow SUV sale event is happening now at Drivers Village. Come to Center Court to check out 13 different new car makes, 28 different SUV models, then choose sale event leasing or super chill low APR financing. Our Go in the Snow SUV sale event is on at Drivers Village, New York State's only new car mega center. See dvoffers.com.
The sizzle of a steam on the grill, the crashing of waves on the beach, and whatever that is. At iHeartMedia, we harness the power of sound in a way that can help you expand your reach to a new group of target customers and grow your business through customized and effective advertising. Big or small, local or regional, or looking to go national, our iHeartMedia consultants are ready to help. Call 844-5RADIO or go to iHeartMedia.com. Y94 is WYYY Syracuse.
Build a better bathroom today with help from Lowe's, where you'll find great deals on everything you need during the Kohler Dream Bathroom event. So hurry into your neighborhood store to get 10 to 15% off select Kohler and Sterling bath products that are sure to transform any bathroom. Don't miss out on all of the great savings happening right now at Lowe's. Selection varies by store. Valid February 11th through March 13th. U.S. only.
How big is Rite Aid's Big Point event? Plenty big. For all participating products you buy with Lowe's plus with Plenty, the what kind of points you earn through February 27th. Earn 2,000 points when you spend $100, another $1,500 when you get to $150, and get another $1,500 at $200. That's up to 5,000 points worth at least $50 in savings. Only at Rite Aid. With us, it's personal. Earning based on total purchases from 131 to 227.16. And with 5,000 points per card. Unused rewards program. Terms and conditions apply. See Plenty.com/terms for details.
Y94. A friend you can count on. Delilah on Y94.
Now seems to me that you know just what to say. But words are only words. Can you show me something else? Can you swear to me that you'll always be this way? Show me how you feel more than ever, baby.
I don't wanna be lonely no more.
I don't wanna have to pay for this. I don't wanna know the lover at my door. It's just another heartache on my list.
I don't wanna be angry no more.
Yeah, you know I can never stand for this. So when you tell me that you love me, know for sure I don't wanna be lonely anymore. Oh no. Oh no. And it's hard for me when my heart's still on the mend. Won't you open up to me like you do your girlfriends? And to sing to me, and it's harmony. Girl, what you do to me is everything. If you say anything just to get you back on your own.
I can reach a slide.
You love me, no, for sure. I don't wanna be lonely anymore. Oh no, oh no. What if I was good to you? What if you were good to me? What if I could hold you till I feel you move outside? sure I don't wanna be lonely anymore.
Oh.
Hi, good evening. Who is this?
Yeah, this is Michael.
Hi, Michael. What can I do for you tonight?
We're going to celebrate 4 years of marriage to my wife.
What's her name?
Her name is Amy.
Okay, tell me, Michael, in less than, 15 or 20 minutes, how being married to Amy the last 4 years has changed your character?
It's just the best thing in the world that's ever happened to me. Especially last year, it was kind of bad because I'm the one that forgot our anniversary. And that tells me that I've been way too much involved with work. And this time around, I'm changing everything, and it'll be 4 years today. And it's funny, over the last couple of years, every time we talk to her, she comes in the room and sings it to me, and I get just so annoyed. And they told her that her wedding reception. And I finally just listened to that for minutes, and it is done.
And you said maybe I should not be annoyed, but maybe I should cherish the fact that my wife is trying to demonstrate her love and affection for me. I'm being a big knucklehead. And so you're not going to forget the anniversary this weekend.
Oh, no, it's
You're going to do something very special. Don't tell me. Because you don't want to ruin the surprise, buddy.
She works on the radio right now. I want to surprise her anyway.
Oh, so you want to ruin the surprise?
She thinks she's going to work tomorrow, but we're leaving tomorrow to get her a honeymoon spot.
So this is how she's finding out. Is on my show.
Yeah.
Okay.